bought a new controller, motor controller. It came with a remote controller too, so now we have two. The remote steering stopped working, so but it still drives back and forth. So I tested, I think this is the steering output, and I put a voltmeter on there and used the controller and didn't read any voltage on that. So I bought a new controller here, motor controller. It came with a remote controller too, so now we have two remotes, but I'm about to swap this with our replacement, which is hopefully not broken yet. Where did that piece go?
Where?
Here it is. Does that look the same? Yep. So we'll see. Did it work?
Yeah.
Yeah. You guys ready to put the seat in and go for a ride?
Yeah.
Okay, here, put it in. Good job. Good job.